Mark 13:23-27. But you watch out. I have told you everything in advance. In those days after that trouble, the sun will grow dark, the moon will stop shining, the stars will fall from the skies, and the powers of the heaven will be shaken. Then they will see the Son of Man coming in clouds with tremendous power and glory. He will send out angels and gather together his chosen people from the four winds, from the ends of the earth and the end of the heaven. He let us win so we can have a connection. Tino ni lu ni chi lu ni lu nhỏ cho rộng đó, là để tình. Anh chỉ cho start your phone, lu thì your phone, chỉ on the go now, okay? So how do we prevail? When the Son of Man has been lifted up through our Mashiach Yeshua. You thought we can win? You guys thought correct. Beijing start running. You pull Beijing. Okay, Zhao and pull Beijing. Team do that. No more. Daybreak. Move Yaakov. Yaakov again. Heartless, huh? That's it. Nowhere to run. No more running. No more fearing Esau and Laban. But to put the trust in Elohim, our Mashiach, Yeshua, and we prevail together. Gabar together. Win together, okay? Qhia, Yakura. Shimi on a bitch. Cool. It's always the bench of a shimi. No more running. Yeshua, do the door. Do the job, lift up. Do the open. Her connection. A big Gabar, prevail together. Man and Elohim. Man and Elohim. Together we will prevail. If you choose me. What's your hat? Our last sermon of 2023 now, okay? Only through him we will prevail. Nowhere to go. Be your child. Be your with him, okay? Only through him we will prevail through our Mashiach Yeshua. So hopefully people how that big okay? Look like they'll be traveling or they'll eat morning thing. Joel big Mashiach Yeshua said about this. Lift up, let us walk with him and not fight him no more. She's on Julie, she thought that she Julie don't care. They don't know more than no silk. On last verse, Luca 1:32-33 now. This is my last verse for you today. Luca. Chapter 1, 32-33 now. He will be great. He will be the son. He will be called son of Hallelujah. Adonai, Elohim will give him the throne of his forefather David, and he will rule the house of Jacob forever. There will be no end to his kingdom. 你就按 prove 做也讲Jacob 古有路，讲咩 prevail 了 ，OK？ 所以就被捕的我哋被还在以色列，你真的哦，他什么以色列 ？Listen， ยังไม่ชินน้อเลยอ๋อ这是被ก็คือ捕的，สลงนะ OK？ ยัง被在你就把入，就被人讲了 OK？ เห็นลูกเรา摸ของมีเราจะรู้อยู่ซึ่งใจช่วยบารูจะไปก่อจงชาไปจะเขาชิงดูนะไปจะเขา prevail จะไปตัวเราให้ฮับไปตัวเชื่อยิชูซึ่ง OK and let's prevail together with him OK ไปตัวรัชมาเดี๋ยวเราแอนซี่กันแอนไปช่วยจะไปเจอมาชีจงเกิดจงชาไปเขาชิงดูแต่ฟังสิ่งที่จงมีซึ่งอาเมน